Okay, so we're ready to wash out. And just remember guys, everyone's setup is gonna look different. Most likely you're gonna get into the shower, okay? But as we here, I wanna bring the salon experience into you. I have done this before, but we'll see how it goes. But it is really important when you do take it off to do a couple steps, and this is why I wanna show you. So go ahead, get undressed, get in the shower. And I want you to start up your water, and before you just dump your head in the water, I'm gonna have you get it a little bit wet. Ooh, this is gonna be cold. I'm gonna have you get a little bit wet because I want you to emulsify it by rubbing it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair just a little bit. Turn off that water. I'm just gonna start to emulsify it. Okay, this is what makes the product super shiny, okay? I want you to use your fingers and get in there at your root, and I just want you to do this, okay? Don't forget the underneath. Right now, you're just breaking up that product with the water. You're gonna do this for 1 minute. Okay, I want you to take notice too. I'm not just putting my hair on my head and going like this, okay? Instead, I'm running it down. I'm taking it in between. I'm doing this little shimmy thing. Oh, feels so good. This is one thing that we cannot create is a nice head massage at home, but you know what, go ahead and try to give yourself one. You deserve it. It's gonna turn out so good. All right, I have a little timer up here guys, so I got 30 more seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. Go ahead and wait until my water gets a little bit warm. Whew, that is cold. All right, so go ahead and make sure your water is to your temperature that you like. Oh, much better. And you're just gonna rinse it. You're gonna rinse it until the water runs clear or almost clear. Don't add shampoo yet. You're just gonna rinse the product out of your hair. Go ahead and lean your head back into the water and just let it rinse. It's actually super relaxing, and this is why so many people love this salon experience. Get all the way up to your hairline. Don't forget the back. And rinse. All right, and nice and rinsed. Took me a whole minute to rinse it, so you can't over rinse it, okay? Then I'm gonna use my shampoo and conditioner like normal. I do recommend that you do 2 shampoos just to make sure you rinse all that color. That was my second shampoo, so now I'm gonna give it a good rinse. as much water as I can before I apply my conditioner. And you guys, I'm gonna rub my conditioner together in my hands first, and I'm just gonna start at the ends and work my way up. Really using my hands like combs to work that product through. Voila. That's it, guys. So let your conditioner sit on up to 10 minutes and rinse it out if you are getting out of the shower. Do your other things, shower, soap up, shave your legs, but I do recommend the conditioner stay on about 10 minutes. And I'll be back with it all blown out so you guys can see the results.